Okay, this is the aftermath. I don't know how much the other video came out, but it's still recording. Take the damage on that, Ben.
It's a helicopter now. Hold on, let me see something.
Oh, it's not attached.
Yeah, wires.
Hey!
Nice.
We can rebuild it. It's just the nose cone that's fucked. The wings look alright for the most part.
Yeah, can you get parts like the front?
Yeah, you can buy parts for all this.
The motor looks like it's actually probably okay. Look, just the wires came off.
Yeah, so
they pulled it right off.
This snapped though. I'm gonna have to get this piece.
Yeah, but you'd need just this plastic nose piece.
And it looks like the rest can just be like kind of.
And then
oh, the wings cracked.
Oh, the wings
cracked. Oh, is the fuselage
the
cracked?
Almost came out.
The body's cracked too.
The fuselage is smashed.
Oh, dude.
Maybe you can replace like a lot of the foam parts because it looks like the electronics.
I'll take that at least. Those pieces I don't really need, but.
And here's the damage to the case.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's good. That's all it. The GoPro is. I don't know how much of because when I looked at it when after it crashed, it said
okay.
A screen I've never seen before. It just said okay with a. I don't know.
At least it was a spectacular crash.
It was telling you I'm okay.
You were like,
dude, it really.
I'm crashing.
It sucks that thing was facing backwards for that though.
I know.
I know, that would have been great. You're gonna crash into the ground.
I won't make any more suggestions like that.
Well, the landing gear is okay.
Wow, I hit hard too. I mean,
yeah, you did.
Careened into the ground.
It flung the camera off from the sticky tape. It pulled the sticky part off.
Oh, the whole sticky thing came off. Well, that's good. We don't have to worry about removing it for when I throw this in the car.